This is Solid Planet. I'm Masoud Pourghavam. In previous videos, I showed you how to design an electric motor and a desk lamp. I designed each part in a separate file and assembled them in assembly environment. But after now, I'm gonna do that my own way. The way which I'm gonna teach you is faster and easier, which is designing whole the model in just one part. It means that we don't need to use assembly environment anymore. Unmerged option lets you design whole the model in just one single part that includes many bodies, and you can finally create an assembly out of bodies by just one click. I had been decided to design simple models which were easier to understand for beginners. After designing a few more simple models in future videos, I will start designing complicated models to make you all expert in SOLIDWORKS. Okay, are you ready guys? Let's go to design our screwdriver. I choose front plane to create my sketch to make the screwdriver's handle. Okay, use smart dimension to specify and define the length of the line with a length of 130 millimeters. Now I'm gonna coincident this point to origin point. Use a spline, and after that again straight line. Okay, it's done, and we can adjust the lines we want. And define this line with a length of 16 millimeters. Okay, the sketch is done, and I'm gonna use revolved bus, and I select this line to be the axis of my revolution. Select OK, and this is the handle of our screwdriver. The next step I'm gonna do is forming the handle of our screwdriver, so I select right plane to create another sketch to do that. I can't explain that why I am drawing these kind of shapes on right plane because it's not explainable right now. I'm sorry for that, but after extruding you will see that what was the purpose of designing and drawing that kind of shapes. So wait until we form the handle of our screwdriver. Okay, use trim entities option to remove useless lines to finish the sketch. now extrude cut the sketch and you will see how it works. Okay, the handle is done. Let's go to create the shank of a screwdriver. I start designing the shank by drawing a circle like this with a diameter of 4 millimeters. Okay, let's extrude it boss. And 1000 millimeters is too much for that. Let's change the parameter, and 10 centimeters is enough, I think. 100 millimeters parameter. Okay, now I use unmerged option here, which is so practical in SOLIDWORKS. Okay, as you see here in solid bodies folder, you have two separate files, two separate parts. The first one is cut extrude and the next one is boss extrude, and by clicking on each one you can see that which body is this. Okay, the last step I'm gonna do is designing the tip of our screwdriver. It's so easy to create it, and let's do that. I'm gonna add perpendicular relation to these two lines. Now let's adjust the spline. Now I use mirror entities option to mirror these two lines about this axis.